we had already been using Autodesk, so our models and everything, you know, it just goes right into it. It's just incredible how, you know, you don't have to use a separate program or anything. So it's right in there. You just click on InventorCAM and you just start programming, right? It's just right into that. But it's real simple to use. Sometimes it'll stretch the part depending on the stroke of the machine, and that just stretches the part, and then it just changes the program automatically. So next time you bring it out, it's there and ready for you. And they were kind of weary of the facts, you know, when I told them 70% savings and stuff, you know, which I was very scared of at first. And now I finally got past the fear. So now we just hit and go. But before I was just, it was just what it was supposed to do was just scary. It was running 8,000 RPMs, 180 inches a minute. I just couldn't believe it. We started out at the lower levels. Now we're on turbo mode. Yeah. So we actually went up, you know, slowly, gradually, how far we could push it. The speed is just incredible. So we've been doing time studies. It's unbelievable. Parts we were running an hour and 41 minutes, and we've got it down to 37 minutes a side on one side. The other one was close to maybe an hour, and it's down to 22 minutes a side. So it's incredible how much speed there is. It was a long slot on 4140 preheat steel, which is very hard, tool steel. It was about 1.25 inches deep cut, and it was full depth cutting. And the timing, that one we probably took an hour off of the running time on the first side. It was probably an hour and maybe 40 minutes, hour 30 minutes, so we took an hour off of it. Tool life is incredible. That's what surprises me the most. Normally we step down normal programming and it tears the tip off, but with that going straight down the full depth, I mean, it makes it last forever. So we're reusing the tools over and over. The one I was showing you, we did over 100 parts with that particular tool. We probably would have changed it 6 or 7 times and got a new one. I like the 3D, the helical profiling. That's incredible. So you feed off the part onto the part and it stays on, and then when it gets to your depth, it feeds back off. So normally we would step down, plunge, step down, plunge, step down, plunge. So that's incredible savings there. Previously we would use carbide inserted tools, and you would step that all out and then come back with your finished pass with a carbide mill. But with that, you can just start with a carbide mill. And the finish at the bottom's, you know, plenty good, you know, in the pocket.
InventorCAM
Support, yes, really great. You can get a hold of them right away, and they actually have a machining background, so they know exactly what, you know, you're asking. So I haven't had any problem. The go-to meeting, you know, before I call them, I have it up there, and they just give you a number, and you type in, and they, you know, take over. Oh no, not with the go-to meeting. You're right there. So I actually think it's better because you're right there on the screen, and he takes over your computer.